Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful 2011 Dodge Ram 1500 two-wheel drive quad cab SLT, but now classified just as a Ram. They have dropped the Dodge name and it's exclusively Ram, so my apologies on that one. Very beautiful truck here. 2 previous owners, no reported accidents, auto check certified, ready to go. Just absolutely stunning. Don't let the miles fool you. This truck is very well kept and looks like brand new. Was just on the road a lot, which I would prefer versus a car that's been sitting in the garage for its whole life, you know, and not done fluids properly on the timely intervals and kept up to date on its maintenance. So this one, used truck, but not really a truck in the sense of its condition, because the condition of it's like new. Comes powered with a 4.7 V8, very nice long-lasting motor there. Beautiful front grille, nice large and in charge American front end here. Looks really good with the updated front end of the Dodge versus previous years like the 02, 03, well, the 03 and up. So very beautiful new look here. New style wheels, nice alloy wheels with great tires all the way around. They have at least 70% tread life left. They are 17-inch. And then as you can see on the side, the Ram 1500 logo. Chrome throughout on the running boards, the front grille, the handles, all ties in nicely. Tinted windows, looks great on the black on silver contrast. And the interior is super clean. It's just a wonderful, wonderful interior. No smoke, no pet odors, nothing like that. It's like brand new in here. Comes with the original owner's manual, dual stage glove box compartment, so you can fit your registration up top and then important stuff down below. We have single disc CD player, we have Sirius satellite capabilities, also have AM FM stereo, then we have traction control system, a tow haul control mode, we have our dual cup holders, well, tri-cup holders here, and then we also have 2 charging sockets there, ice cold AC, and you have the Ram logo here, but they also give you the Dodge logo up top, still staying true to the Dodge Ram logo. We have a power sliding rear view window here, so this rear window glass does open with power, which is a very nice feature there. Comes with 1 vanity mirror, none for the driver's side. Power windows, locks, mirrors, keyless entry, beautiful running boards across the bottom. Then we have our factory floor mats in the rear. We have our spacious rear seat there, and then underneath is our jack for any spare tire change. 4-wheel disc brakes, towing package, bed liner, hard tonneau cover up top. Nice large Ram logo on the back there, looks really, really good. As you can see, the towing hitch just down below. But nice fiberglass top, paint to match from undercovers. Looks very good with the nice swoop at the end. Kind of fits the whole Dodge Ram of this body style. Looks really, really good. This truck drives excellent. I mean, don't take my word for it. Come on down and drive it. It's just absolutely smooth, clean, wonderful truck. So it comes with automatic headlights. It also has your rear cargo lights equipped, and then interior illumination switch. We also have our infotainment switches to control our information about the vehicle in the center of the speedometer, and then we also have cruise control down below, and then we have our low gear switch mounted on the gear shifter there. So we are addressing the warning light. It's for a fuel level sensor, very common, so don't worry about that. When you come and see it, it'll be done. Revs up nicely, it idles smoothly, and like I said with the info there, you can scroll between transmission temperature, engine hours, coolant temperature, and then we can also go back and then go into other fuel economy, tire pressure, any messages for the low key fob battery. So we just select that, and then you can view your pertinent information about the vehicle electronically. But oil pressure is good, battery voltage, everything's really nice. AC's ice cold right at the start. Speakers sound flawless. I mean, this is how you want to buy a used vehicle. This vehicle has it all. It has no stories. It's ready to go. It's a total turnkey truck. That sliding rear view mirror works, and dual map lighting. It's just absolutely stunning condition. If I were to get a truck, I'd look no further than this beautiful Ram 1500, 2011, 166,000 miles, quad cab, two-wheel drive, but looks like brand new. Come down and see us because this one will not last long. You can find this beautiful Ram exclusively on our website at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.